Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we will talk about the system used at the company where we intern, Absent Pesisien Johor Sendian Berhad. We will demonstrate how to use this system in the department where we work. EasyPanel is one of the systems that almost all employees in the Absent company prioritize. This system is capable of performing a wide range of tasks. Furthermore, this system can be used for leave application in HR services, which is one of the features in this EasyPanel, where we can apply for leave and see it if it has been approved by the supervisor for their respective departments. This EasyPanel system is the most important system for my department, which is in the store, because almost of the tasks given must be completed using the system. Good issue is one of the feature system available in the system. These good issue features are used to enter information about people who are take the items in the store. This is to ensure that the quantity actual in the system and also the quantity in the store are tallied. The items in the store are divided into 3 categories. Control items such as drills and chucks, semi-control items such as stationary items and cartridge, and also uncontrolled items such as toggles. In Store E, there are 2 priority division, PCM for semi-control items and MP for control items. To ensure tally system, I must ensure that the total quantity of the items taken by them are correct and does not fall short of all in the system.
I'm under PCM Department Logistics, which is PCM means by planning, control and management. My work is involved in import under Absent. In import, I use EasyPanel whenever I need to key in goods that already arrived at Absent store. After goods arrive, I will receive the document from truck driver. In that document, I will key in at EasyPanel data like company name, custom form date and number invoice, quantity and division. If I didn't key in or overlook any data or information, it will affect my department as every month we need to do report for every shipment for the month. In import, we also use forwarded by air, which is courier service, example like FedEx, UPS, DHL, if we need to use flight for our shipment. After item arrive by our forwarder Nippon Malaysia, I will receive goods label and tracking number for me to check if the tracking number already in system. If the tracking number not in system, I will need to key in based on the tracking number information. In EasyPanel, under IPMS system, buyer will request purchase order to generate PO number. For this IPMS system, is only to buy indirect item that not frequently need to use in Absent. From this buyer, need to submit budget category, reason and more item detail to approve by budget controller, department manager and general manager. After get approval from general manager and generate PO by system, then only from that buyer can email vendor to purchase order. If the buyer didn't do this process, then the item that need to buy will not approved by person in charge for this.
Today I want to share about key-in process in my department. My department is calling PCM MP. PCM is Production Control Management. MP is Metal Part Production. I use EPJ Production Dashboard to key in items to be sold to customer. Put the existing stock into the locker and can see the technical error that occurs, such as item without a master locker or so on. Key in process tab for incoming. Using the existing scanner, and what we scan will come out in the incoming page for use to the check what item have not been scanned, so that there will be no item left to be sent to the next location. The function of this EPJ dashboard is to ensure that items sent from Singapore Absent arrive to designated location. Therefore, the importance of key-in process any other department or company. In EPJ Production Dashboard, have 3 key-in process, which is incoming process, stock list, work in process, and others. This is a place to check error problems such as FG, no locker scan, unmatched locker, or no locker master. First of all, we need to click on the EPJ Production Dashboard. Then 6 different departments will come out and we select PP&C Management Division. Next page, click on PPN-CMP department. Then choose on delivery system to check the report as an example of the report from the scanner. After scanning the barcode, we'll enter the incoming data from incoming report we selected. That's all from me about key-in process in my department. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nur Shafiza binti Kasmui and I'm practical in Absent 2. I will continue this presentation with my part, which is in Absent, I on my position as a logistic assistant in export. Based on my job in this department, I have learned that Absent giving us advantage and helpful technology. As per my group talk about easy panel method, here I am using the same method to key in data export, and it make us easy to manage and search file. As example, there was one time I'm losing one of the document to export to Japan, and this Easy Panel system find an easier way to solve my problem. This company do exporting to 5 countries, which is Japan, China, Thailand, Hong Kong, and Singapore. Most of the countries that we export need to use 2 transportation, which is lorry and cargo planes. Except for Singapore, we only use 1 transportation, which is lorry. And because of that, there are 2 buttons in Easy Panel for us to choose which is 1 or 2 forwarded to avoid confusion. Next is courier service. Courier service is part of this company shipping operation, which is we common use to ship to Hong Kong, China, and Japan. To use this courier service, I need to update it in Easy Panel under courier service and good receipt button. There are 3 companies that involve in this courier service, which is FedEx, UPS, and DHL. Once I book for shipping, I have to update in Easy Panel and they will notify automatically. However, custom also is part of my job. I have to check every detail in item declaration and value of the item. After that, I need to update in GL code in Easy Panel to keep every form. All of this form could last in the system in 5 to 6 years. Every end of the month, I need to submit monthly report form and it will go to sales department. From sales department, it will pass down to account department to get more elaborate and efficient work. Finally, when it's settled, I will receive a single or multi-invoice. I will keep it updated on billing at Easy Panel for my supervisor to double checking and confirm. After that, I will key in at Easy Panel again because it will cover for a long term in a very secure system. So that's all from me. Thank you.